Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'm so excited to show you guys how we created this beautiful gold winter Wonderland centerpiece for $15, all with items from the Dollar Tree. I cannot wait to show you how simple this centerpiece is to create. You can use this from a winter wedding to a Christmas party to, just a beautiful centerpiece for your fireplace. So many options, all for $15. So what are we waiting for? Let's get ready for this week's episode. Dollar Tree Gold Winter Wonderland Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get to it. So we're going to put all of our pieces together. The first piece is going to be our little wreath. It's very simple. We're just going to use the floral wire and connect these two winter picks together right in the center, making sure that the extra stem is to the back. Now this next part is optional. If you want one of your vases to be taller, I'm just going to show you a way to make a quick, simple, inexpensive pedestal. So I took two foam, all from the Dollar Tree. I traced my vase around and I just trimmed out the excess foam with my foam cutter. Once that's completed, I'm going to glue both pieces together with hot glue and then wrap them with gold gem ribbon, also from where? The Dollar Tree. And there you have it, a very simple, inexpensive pedestal for your vase. So with the holidays coming up, I wanted to use ornaments instead of the actual beads that they sell that you can use for floating a bead arrangement. But the ornaments have no weight to them, so they're not going to stay in place. They'll just all pop up and float to the top. So the way to avoid that is I filled them with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sand. Once you do this, it gives them the weight to stay put within your water beads. And then I sealed the top with hot glue, replaced the top onto them that I pulled off at the beginning, and it is airtight. Let's put it all together. So I'm going to use water beads. I also got those from the Dollar Tree. We're going to go ahead and place one ornament at the very bottom and we're going to cover it with the water beads. Now, here's the thing. You want to make sure when you put the next ornament in that the water beads that it doesn't sink into them. If it sinks into them, it means you need to place more water beads. So pull it out and put a few more water beads in between. You want them to stay put in their area. You also need at least 3 inches or so of space at the top to put water as well as your floating candle. When you're pouring the water in, go very, very slowly. You don't want to displace the water beads because it'll rearrange your ornaments and they'll all just end up clumping together. So pour it nice and slow. Give yourself a good inch and a half at the top and add your floating candle. And there you have it. Well, guys, how do we do? What do you think? I just love when an idea and the cost comes together. I am so happy with how this $15 supply list worked out for us. Can't believe it. Well, if you like this video, please by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. There we go. And if you'd like to drop us a comment or ask a question, please do so in the comment section right below. I answer all of them myself. Sometimes it might take me a minute, but no worries. We have a fantastic DIY community that is here to help because we are all stronger when we work together. And of course, if you want to hang out some more with us, well, why not? Head over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And don't forget, if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting for. They actually pay you to shop. Super simple. Head down to the description, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop, sign on, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check for your shopping efforts. It is really that simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. Before we go, I want to remind you, if you would like to head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, you can find a tab where you can submit your project request, as well as a free resource library and all the written and picture instructions for most of our posts. In addition to that, we have fantastic cost-saving blogs, all there for you to use for your special party or event. We are so happy that you've chosen to spend time with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and we do not take you picking us lightly. So we want to say thanks. Well, guys, I always want you to remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.